Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Getcontact Premium in case you want to stop paying for the extra features. First, open the Getcontact app. Launch the Getcontact app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Next, access Premium settings. Tap the menu or profile icon, then navigate to Premium or Subscription settings. Manage your subscription. Select Manage Subscription. This will take you to your App Store subscription management page. Cancel in App Store or Play Store. On iPhone's Apple App Store or Android's Google Play Store, tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm what you want to cancel. Subscription ends after current period. Your premium features will stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your account will switch back to the free version and you won't be charged again. Meaning if you have cancelled your Getcontact Premium even before the end date of your subscription, it will continue to stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.